All right, day 3 of soybean harvest. Joseph's just greasing stuff up. I'm not sure what he's doing with the top hatch open, but oh, maybe blowing it out. He tried to blow some of the bean dust off last night before he brought it in. He actually took one load already this afternoon. Now he's trying to get back out there. He worked for a little bit this morning, so he hasn't been out in the field yet. He just took the beans from last night in. So, and praise God, the market seems to be better than it was. We'll see if it stays that way. Got his filter out. I wonder if he's gonna blow that out maybe. Or I think it's a filter. You gonna blow that out? Did you do that beforehand?
Huh?
Did you do that before you started?
Oh, no.
No? Oh my Lanta. That's crazy. That'll make your allergies flare up. Craziness. What are you doing spilling beans on the floor in here? It's gonna bring all the mice in. I'm joking, I don't know if they eat beans or not.
It's a cat trap.
Yeah, you're right. They'll get more than one at a time. That hydraulic oil?
Yep.
No leakage?
Oh, yeah.
Looking good. Out here on the four-wheeler, chasing the combine. Gonna go right out there for the first time, see how it's going. If you can tell, our neighbor's combining as well. Perfect day for it. It's about 2:30 on a Tuesday.
Cable to go. The only knob you can move is the blanket knob.
So you said you're not quite half, but you're over a quarter of the way.
Yeah.
Seems like anyways. Have you went
Once
to...
I did, so where I'm going straight across there, that's about the halfway. So I gotta nip these off.
Okay.
Short rows.
Have you went to the back at all yet?
Yeah, I went to the back on that side and that side.
Okay, so you haven't went along the...
Fence back there?
Yeah.